Humans are burning fossil fuels such as coal and gasoline at concerning rates. But where is all this carbon going? Most of the carbon will go into the atmosphere, which takes the form of carbon dioxide. A large portion of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere will be absorbed by the ocean. Natural amounts of carbon dioxide absorbed into the ocean is healthy for the ocean's ecosystem. But humans are speeding it up and pumping way too much carbon dioxide into the ocean's ecosystem. And as you can see in this photo, here is the regular carbon dioxide levels. Here's when it's getting to be too much. And here is how it looks in many parts of the world today. A prime example of this is in Washington State, where seafood accounts for a large portion of the state's gross domestic product. Maria Gallucci from the International Business Times explains that too much carbon dioxide in Washington State's oceans has extreme consequences, such as many jobs lost, $110 million burned away, and 80% of oyster production down. Oysters need carbon dioxide to survive, but with ocean acidification taking place, these oysters are taking acid instead of carbon dioxide, which is killing many of them. Climate change is such a big problem. It can be hard to think of solutions sometimes. So I would suggest starting on a smaller scale, like in your community, at school, or at your house. So you want to reduce your fossil fuel emissions and keep your carbon footprint small. So I would suggest turning off lights as much as possible, which would reduce coal, which is a carbon footprint. I would suggest walking to school, walking to a restaurant, walking to the store instead of taking a car, because the car takes gas, which is also a fossil fuel. And just be mindful of climate change.